Hey everybody, Sam here from Rathbone Sales, and it's garden season here in beautiful Eastern Washington, and there's no better way to get your garden ready than with a PTO powered tiller behind your Massey Ferguson Tractor. And today we're going to show you how to hook one up to the 3-point. Nice features on these 1700 M series tractors from Massey is the extendable lower lift arms. With these, you just have to get close enough and you'll be able to extend this out and hook it right up. After you got your lower lift arms hooked up and pinned up, now it's time to attach the drive shaft while you still have some room to get a hold of it and get it hooked up there to the PTO. The 1700 Premium Series, when you have this lever in neutral, you can spin the PTO shaft on the back and make for an easy hookup to that shaft. Now, if you're not aligning quite right, you can take this and spin it by hand so you can hook it up.
Always want to make sure you got it on there real tight.
Now that we've got our lower lift arms connected and pinned, we have our drive shaft connected. We made sure that was on real nice and tight. Now it's time to hook the top link to that top pin. Last thing to do here is make sure these are good and tight so it doesn't have a lot of slop from side to side when you're running.